Okay, so I want to give you an update on our little studio, the future Blue Hawaii. I'll let you know where we're at. So first off, we got some deliveries this week. We got the washer, dryer, garbage disposal, and the range. We also got the dishwasher, but they sent the 24-inch instead of the 18-inch, so that went back. Our other delivery, we got the doors. So we have the front door, we have the bathroom door, and behind that are the two doors for the sliding closet. And millwork. I didn't know this was called millwork. This is just wood to me. So millwork was delivered. So was all this supposed to be delivered at this stage? No, it was not. Okay, so if you look around, you can see that there is no room to do any work. So has any work been done? No. Okay, so the team knows that deliveries were made by mistake, but we haven't heard their solution yet. So we're waiting for the team because did they update the schedule? No, it hasn't been updated. Actually, it hasn't even been correct at all the whole time that we've had it because there's been so many delays and things moved around. So if today is June 4th, then this place is supposed to be done according to the original schedule in 10 days. Well, that ain't happening. Okay. All right. So we also had the inspector was supposed to come back out, check the plumbing. Apparently the first time he came, he waited a week. And so whatever was done, whatever pressure balloon that was in there was depressurized. So the plumber came back again and she fixed it, and did the inspector show up? No! Okay, so we have a no for the inspector. All right, so the kitchen. So when we redesigned the kitchen, because there was a whole confusion because they never actually gave us final plans for it, we were supposed to get a mock-up so we know how it's going to be laid out. Whether we have now an 18-inch dishwasher. I don't know where the drawers are. Did they send over the mock-up? No. Do I know what the vanity looks like in the bathroom? No, I don't know anything. I don't know. Do I know how to purchase an island? Because apparently I have to purchase an island because there's going to be no drawers or room or anything because it's going to be a wall of appliances now. So do I know what I'm doing in here? No. So we did have the electrical inspection done and that got passed. So unfortunately, when they turn the electricity back on, there's no air conditioning in the big house. Okay, so I guess this is all I have to say, and this is the update for Sunday, June the 4th.